Module 3 Part 2 Fuzzy Relation Properties, Composition, Decomposition, Projection and Cylindrical Extension. Alpha cut of a fuzzy relation denoted by R alpha is defined as set of all ordered pair xy such that mu r xy greater than or equal to alpha, where x element of A and y element of B. So this is the matrix of relation. Level set of relation is the set 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.7, 0.9, 1. Then for each membership degree, alpha cut corresponding to 0.4, MR 0.4, alpha cut corresponding to 0.9, MR 0.9. This is alpha cut corresponding to 0.7, alpha cut corresponding to 1. So fuzzy relation can be said to be decomposed of several R alphas, alpha cuts as following: R equal to union for every alpha, alpha into R alpha. An example of decomposition. Projection and cylindrical extension. Projection to set A is obtained by taking maximum for every y mu r xy, and that is denoted as mu r A of x. Similarly, projection to set B is denoted by mu r by. It is equal to maximum for every x mu r xy. So this is the definition of projection in n dimension. So in that case, we need to take maximum for every xj1, xj2, etc., xjm, mu r, x1, etc., xn. So example of projection. Projection to RA. So A1, A2, A3 are elements in A. So we get 0.1, 0.8, 1 maximum in each row, 1.81. Projection to set B is obtained by taking the set B, B1, B2, B3. So take maximum of each column, 0.6, 0.8 and 1. This is another example. R of x1, x2, x3 is given in this column. So projection to 1, 2, coordinate 1, 2, x1, x2. So for that, consider x3 values and then group like this. So then take maximum of the corresponding membership degrees. So for coordinate 0, 0, consider all possible x3s 0, 1, 2. Then take maximum of this. So it is 0.9. Similarly, consider coordinate 0, 1. Since we are considering x1, x2, consider all x3 values, vary all x3. So this forms a group, and then take maximum of 1, 0, 0.8, that is 1. Similarly, for the other possible combinations, 1, 0, 1, 1. So in this way we get projection to 1, 2. So it is possible to find all type of projections: projection to 1, 3, projection to 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, etc. This is a projection to 2, 3. In that case, vary the value of 0, first coordinate, vary first coordinate x1. So two possibilities are there. It assumes the value 0 and 1. So for 0, 0, it is 0.4, 0.5, so it is 0.5, maximum is 0.5. So corresponding to 0, 0 we have 0.5. Then 0, 1, two cases, 0.9 and 0.3, so maximum is 0.9. Like that, find all possible combinations and then take the maximum. So we get R23. So we can prepare a table like this showing all possible projections R1, R2, R3. In that case we need to consider 2 and 3. To get R1, consider 2 and 3. Vary 2 and 3. So here up to this maximum is 0.9. Cylindrical extension. Opposite of projection is known as cylindrical extension. So mu cylindrical extension, mu CR ABC equal to mu R AB. That is called a cylindrical extension. So we can extend the first relation R defined on A cross B to another cross product set A cross B cross C. An example of cylindrical extension. MRA is given for A1, A2, A3. Then corresponding to that add coordinates of B. So B1, B2 are elements in B. So we get the membership degrees corresponding to A1, B1, A1, B2 and so on. So this is the matrix corresponding to cylindrical extension. In the previous example we have membership degrees like this. So from R3, X3 it is possible to extend that to R, X1, X2, X3. So add two coordinates 0, 0. So membership degree become 1 corresponding to 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. So all are equal to 1. So maximum is 1. So we have 4 possibilities. Third coordinate is 0, but first two coordinates consider all possibilities 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Correspondingly write maximums. So we get values corresponding to these cases, these 4 cases. So these are the other examples of cylindrical extension.